Welcome to the Math Krew, where we learn new things and grow in mathematics. I'm Miss Nisha, your math teacher. Let's get started. Today we're going to practice dividing by powers of 10. And to do that, the strategy we're going to use is the place value chart. Because when we're working with powers of 10, if we're dividing or multiplying, we're simply shifting digits. If we're dividing, we're shifting our digits to the right, which means they're going to go back, which also means that they're going to be smaller. We want to create smaller values by shifting back or to the right. The first thing we do is we take 23 and we place it in the place value chart. So our first equation is 23 divided by 10. I'll put 2 in the tens place and 3 in the ones. You must put the numbers in the correct location, because if you don't, your answer is going to be incorrect. So we start with 23 and we're going to divide by 10. Each part or each section in our place value chart is the same as saying times 10. We should know that already from previous grades. So if we're multiplying by 10 to go to the left, then we're going to divide by 10 to go to the right, which means we're going to go to the right one time. So I'm going to take my digits and I'm going to pull them back. Draw an arrow behind the 3. When you're going back, you pull from the back of the number. That 3 is now here in the tenths place. And you simply place the 2 directly in front of it. It's kind of like matching or keeping them together. So after you shifted the digits, circle your answer and read the decimal correctly. This is 2 and 3 tenths. Again, this is 2 for the decimal point. We're going to say and 2 and 3 tenths. Wherever the last digit is located, if you're in this decimal area, you're in this part of the chart, that's its name, or you can say its last name. 2 and 3, what's his last name? Tenths. Let's try another one. We're going to first put 23 in the chart, and we're going to go to the right. How many times? What do you think? If you said twice, you're correct. 1, 2. Make sure you're at least halfway in between that place value section, that column. Make sure you're halfway. If you notice, my arrows are kind of midway. I do that because I want to make sure I've shifted directly into a new location. What mistakes I see at times are students sometimes do this. They will draw 2 arrows, but let's look at this. Have we actually moved 2 place value locations? Have we moved to 2 columns over? No, we haven't. We've only moved 1 column, but we've drawn 2 arrows. This is incorrect. Okay, so we don't want to do this. We want to make sure we shift the correct number of locations or columns, okay? When I say location, I mean place values, place value locations. Okay, so we've gone back twice. Now, the 3 is no longer in the ones place, it's now in the hundreds place. Very good. 2, again, you just keep it with this number, kind of match it, drop it right in front of it. Now, to read the number better, we can put something here in the ones place called the placeholder. And we know that's 0. So let's say this number correctly. Because we don't have anything here, we don't have to say 0 in, okay? We can just read the number and then say its name. 23, what? What is that? 23 hundredths. Again, let's read this number. 23 hundredths. All right. This has been our mini lesson for dividing by powers of 10. Please rewatch it as much as necessary. All right. Catch y'all later in the crew.